Guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new, thank you for staying with us. So guys, today I'm gonna make a natural Gatorade, guys. So we're gonna use Celtic salt, coconut water, oranges, tangerine, lime and lemon. And guys, the reason why I'm using the tangerine is because I don't want to use grapefruit, and people that with blood pressure can't use the grapefruit, but the grapefruit was the ideal thing, so I switch out the grapefruit and I'm putting in the tangerine. So let's get into this video. We don't have a lot of prepping to do, but I'm gonna wash my oranges and I am going to just add a golden beet to it. Well, might, just to make it a little bit different from the rest of drink that I see. Gatorade, I'm gonna add the golden beet. So I am going to wash my oranges and we are gonna start with it. So I have washed all my fruits and we are going to prep them. So let's put my gloves on and get into it. So for those who need a lot of energy, I suggest you try and make your own Gatorade. It helps with electrolytes. So this is one of my go-to drink. Once a week I have this drink. So we are going to put all our oranges in that bowl. I'm making quite a lot because I'm going to give Tony some. I guess this can hold in the juicer. I'm going to just use the Cuvin this week. I've been using the Cuvin for a few weeks now. Over next week I will use the Optimum Big Mouth Juicer. And you can use the peels to make jam. So I'll go through these quickly. And stay until the end and you will see what I will add to this Gatorade, natural Gatorade. It's not on the counter here because I want it to be a surprise. I'm trying to do it fast just to take out the tangerines. So it's gonna be orange, tangerine, Gatorade with a splash of golden beet. And this drink is not only for energy, it's good for your eyes, your skin, and much more. I leave one of them for decoration, and I'll just peel just 2 of them. We're going to add 2 things, lime plus a lemon. So you cut the lime, cut off the bottom, and you get it sit flat, so you can peel all around it. So we're gonna peel our golden beet. You don't necessarily have to peel it, but I just want to peel it in this video. Health is wealth, guys. Before you go and purchase, I'm not saying if you don't like it, but I like the natural way. So before you go and purchase an energy drink, you can make your own. And this is a golden beetroot. Loaded with benefits. I can tell you, it's sweet. She's sweet. I'm gonna just peel 2 more oranges. And then we're gonna start our juicing. So guys, don't forget to hit that join button to help the channel, and don't forget to go over to Mitty Travel and support my other channel. So guys, let's get into our juicing to make our Gatorade. We are gonna start by loading in our oranges. We're gonna open the flip gate and we're gonna put the orange down. We're gonna have to turn the juicer on because the orange is big, so it needs to go down for order for this to open. So here is our drink. It starts to accumulate in the mixing bowl. So we're gonna put a lemon in, and we are gonna add a little bit of Celtic salt at the end of this video, just to give it a boost. It helps with the digestive system. It gives you a better sleep, help to reduce stress, and much more. So we have half of mixing bowl and everything is looking pretty good. So this drink is loaded with magnesium, potassium and calcium. So this is why it is good for you to try and make this all natural Gatorade. So we are gonna let out our first batch of juice that we're gonna use to make our natural Gatorade. Look at that, guys. So this is a simple recipe, and of course I'm using my Covin Revo 830, and we are gonna continue by putting in the rest of the oranges. So the Celtic salt in this drink, this Gatorade, improve hydration. It is natural. It's a natural mineral, guys, and the electrolytes that contains sodium, potassium. It helps the blood to retain water and maintain proper fluid balance. So this is very good and hydrating for someone to make. Look at the color, how beautiful it is, and it is making, I'm using all natural fruit as always, no sugar added. So now we're going to pop in some golden beet. So the golden beet that I've added also have potassium, and it helps with the digestive system and is anti-inflammatory. So this is very good for also our eyes. And everything that I've used today has beta carotene in it, which has vitamin A and is good for vision. Look at the color. Wow. So now we have a full mixing bowl. You know what time it is. So let's get into it. Now we are going to let out our second batch of juice. There you have it. And we still have 2 oranges and some golden beet. So we're gonna just put those through. This is the 2 oranges, and here is the rest of the golden beet. So we're gonna put those through right now. And at the same time, when we are going to have this drink, it helps also to lower the blood pressure, because what the golden beet is also good for. So this is an all-in-one. Look at the trash, guys, in my hand. It's all squeezed out, dry as ever. So our natural Gatorade helps with so much to lower blood pressure. It helps with increased blood flow. It gives you energy. It's good for the eyes and much more. So let's pop some more golden beet in our juicer. We're not gonna get a full bowl, mixing bowl, because we only have a small amount left. So here is a close-up look. We have half of mixing bowl, and we're gonna just work with that, add that to what we already have. We are going to let out our third batch of juice. So we are pumping out the rest of the juice from the juicer. It's still on, but I have turned down because we can't have my voice and the juicer making the noise at the same time. So we are ready to serve our Gatorade, and we are going to add some coconut water. So as you can see, let me bring it back. It's all natural, no preservative, no sugar added, 99% free, fat free. So we're gonna use this. So we're gonna pull it, and we are going to add a little in here, the juice, and then add the coconut water to it. And for the next one, we're gonna do the same thing. And we are gonna do things a little bit different. For those who don't like to use, they put coloring in the Gatorade, but I am going to use the spirulina, the blue spirulina. We're gonna add it. So this is what it looks like, and it's very beneficial for our body. So we're going to stir that in. So we're going to have blue Gatorade. Let me use a wooden spoon, which is better. Yes. Very lovely. Tony is doing me the honors. We are mixing it in, and of course we're gonna get green because yellow and blue give you green.
Remember from school?
So you have a green Gatorade.
Remember
and
in school when they used to
one.
give you different paints?
Yes.
You mix them together, that's what you get.
So now we are ready to serve our Gatorade. So we are gonna pour out our Gatorade, and we are gonna switch. And we are going to pour the green. So this one have the spirulina in it. And we are going to put some Celtic salt. Not much, just a little. Just a little. And we're going to put our straw in, pop them in, and mix the salt in, the Celtic salt. So guys, there you have it. This is going to be the end of this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and share with a friend. See you in the next video, and you know I'm going to give you a close-up look.